Start. Hi guys, my name is Mohsin Khan and you are watching My Kind of Productions Good Food Show. So I'm on the streets of Mumbai in the Lokhandwala area, Andheri West, and here we have a sandwich vendor who's selling yummy, tasty sandwiches on the streets of Mumbai for more than 10 years. And now he's going to show us how he's making these yummy sandwiches, and there's something called as Chinese bhel. The bhel is a mixed chaat which you don't get in China but you get in Mumbai. And we call it Chinese bhel. So we'll be covering these two recipes, how he's going to make it. He's Santosh and he has customers here. Okay, keep watching The Good Food Show, produced by My Kind of Productions. Here we have Santosh making the sandwich. You can try this sandwich at your place. Cutting off the edges. And now he's added butter. Butter लगाया आपने? Yeah. Garlic paste. This is green chutney of green chilies and coriander. You can just show it. दिखाएंगे आप? Okay, this mashed potato with turmeric. Now he's adding cucumber. And some onion slice. कौन सा मसाला ये?
चाट मसाला,
So sandwich masala, or you can add some chaat masala. The Good Food Show. Beetroot. And some tomatoes. Tomato, whatever you want to say. And we have some capsicum. Super busy area. Now he's added more chaat masala or more sandwich masala, optional. So we have a bread on the top. So either you can have it this way or you can just toast it also. You have two options. I'm going for the toast one. Toast करके दे रहे हैं ना?
ग्रिल भी होता है मतलब?
You can also grill it. He has a griller here. How much you get this? ये कितने का आएगा?
ये आएगा 35 का.
35 rupees for this lovely sandwich. ये कितना देर ऐसा करना?
तो 1 से 2 मिनट.
So around 2 minutes on low flame, you have to toast it, and after 2 minutes the sandwich is ready. There you go, crispy, brown, beautiful. And look at that. Hot. Tempting. So who's drooling, man? Now everyone can make the sandwich in their kitchen. Top it up with some butter. There you go.
चटनी वाला. बस.
So apart from the sandwich, we also have Chinese bhel here. There you take some dry noodles. Chopped cabbage.
थोड़ा कैप्सिकम डाल देते हैं.
Then you can add some capsicum. and Szechuan sauce. The recipe is on the channel My Kind of Productions of Szechuan sauce.
Sauce.
And add some tomato ketchup and vinegar. That's it? बस इतना ही? Only this much and your Chinese bhel is ready. How much you get this for? कितने का मिलेगा ये भैया?
20 rupees.
20 rupees you get the Chinese bhel. And even Chinese people are baffled where you get this bhel in China. It's only made in India, you get it in India and on the streets of Mumbai. Chinese bhel for you. Look at that. I'll be handling the camera and one hand I'll be trying the Chinese bhel. Crispy, spicy, crunchy, tangy. It's amazing. But yeah.